everyone, welcome to Illustrator tutorial. So this video will focus on the rectangular grid tool. Now what we need to do is we want to create a grid tool first. So we just go to the line segment tool and then click and hold. So you see that there's many options, which is a line segment tool, arc tool, spiral tool, and rectangular grid tool. You just click and drag our mouse, but do not release your mouse. The reason why is if you want to increase the column, right, we just click on the left or right key on our keyboard to increase the column. But if you want to increase the row, we just click on the up and down key in our keyboard here until you're satisfied. Okay, so like this. Then once you're satisfied with all the grid here, just release your mouse here. You can adjust the stroke here to adjust the size, change the pattern of the stroke on the top bar here, but make sure it is selected. Okay, I want to fill in the color, so make sure you use the selection tool to select your grid color. Okay, and then we go to the shape builder tool here. Just click on the shape builder tool one time here, and then we just double click the fill color to change the color that you want. I want it to be like purple. Just click on OK. So once we mouse over the grid tool here, you will see the cursor together with a plus sign here. You can start to click to fill in the color, so we can change the color. Meanwhile, we can change the color to all the stroke here, the fill. If I want to reduce the column and row, how are we going to do? You just hold down the Alt here, hold down the Alt on your keyboard, and you will see that the cursor from plus sign become a negative sign, and then just click and drag to select the whole column or the row here to delete the column. Okay. So if you want to merge, just click and drag to merge all the column and row here. I may try to create a Malaysian flag using the rectangular grid tool and also the shape. Okay, so how we're going to do, just click and drag, then make sure it's 14 rows. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, the column here will be, I think it's enough because later we can merge it, then release. Okay, I don't want the stroke. The stroke here, I change to black color first. Okay. So we start to fill in the color, fill in the red and also the white color. So make sure that use the selection tool to select your grid. Then click on the shape builder, change the color to red color. Okay, start to fill in the colors here. Okay, I merge it here. So okay. Then I want to the red color here, the blue color. So I can slowly one by one practice all these two here. Okay, so now I want it to be fill, undo. Okay, so stroke here, I just change the stroke to none, so we remove all the stroke for me. Okay, so this will be Malaysia flag. So now we would just add a star and also the moon here. So I make it smaller, just select the whole thing, hold down your shift and then constrain the proportion to make it smaller first, so you can do another thing in the same layer. So we just do a star, hold down the star tool here. If it is in a rectangular tool, hold down and select the star tool, click and drag. Okay, so this is also 14 edges for the star. Okay, So we are not familiar. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Okay, release. So this will be my star, but the star is the yellow color. Okay. Okay, move aside. Then we try to create a half moon here, but how are we going to do? Still use the ellipse tool. Click on the ellipse tool, hold down your shift here because you want to create a perfect circle here. Release. Okay. So I want to create the same circle, but I don't want to create again using the elliptical tool. What we need to do is the shortcut lah. Okay, so we just hold out our Alt, make sure the circle is selected using the selection tool, hold out our Alt. Okay, so you see the cursor become a double, then just click and drag to the right or left. You will see another circle start to appear, then release. So we're able to create the two circles using a shortcut. Okay, just try to make it like this so that this will be the one we need. Okay, this circle we need to reduce it. Okay, so select the whole thing here and then select two circle. Make sure you use the selection tool to select both circle, and then click on the shape builder tool. So now we can see there is the cursor together with the plus signs. Okay, so when you click on the path, it will merge together, so it will become a circle again. So but this time I want to reduce this circle, so we just hold down our Alt here and then the cursor becomes negative. Just click one time on the first circle here, click, so it reduces the circle. So now left only what we want here. Okay, so we use the selection tool to make the flag bigger again. Then click on the try to make it smaller. Okay, make it smaller. Move it to the middle. So now you see this will be the Malaysia flag that you created. Just select the whole thing here, right click, group, so you can move it freely. So this is the what is the use of the rectangular grid tool. So thank you for watching.